Hi there, I'm Heinrich Homola and I'm teaching the Entrepreneurship in Practice course here at Anglo-American University. Now, this course is somewhat special. It is not me standing in front of the students and telling them what they are supposed to learn, but in this course, students determine what they are learning. It's about entrepreneurship in practice, which means it's about practical experience. The students form a company, a real company, with everything what it belongs, starting from the very first business ideas, creating the product, developing it. It is really being an entrepreneur. The more the students put in, the more they get out for themselves. That's the beauty of the course. And this is actually what Anglo-American University tries to do more and more with all its courses, whether it's in PR, whether it's in other communication disciplines.
I was expecting a smaller project for sure, and I think it did exceed my expectations, not only in the class but also with my coworkers and what we've achieved. To be honest, once we started the course, I think being national champion is already such a great achievement. So representing in the international final for sure was something that I wished, I hoped for, but I didn't see it so much till we won it. And once you live it, then it's surreal to actually think that you got to represent the Czech Republic.
With your company, you will enter a couple of competitions for young entrepreneurs. Now, it's not so much about the prizes which you can win there. It's actually for you a proof of concept that your company is really able to survive out there in the market and to make real money.
Beginning in the competition, we were like super nervous. We didn't know what we were having because we have like strong competitors. But when we got like the results that we won, we were super excited because we know that all the effort we do through this whole year was like worth it. And we were like super happy.
It's the fact that you're going and you're representing a country, it's a lot of responsibility, but not only that, but it's also a lot of honor to get to do that. It's just a great opportunity to see what the world's offering and what is right now going on.
The presentation was a nerve-wracking moment, I think, for all of us. Just getting on stage and watching so many people stare at you, but you know that you need your A game to present and to compete for sure. It was an experience, but I think we pulled it out great. And I'm very proud of our team. They did such an amazing job. They were such hard workers. And I think we all gave it our all. We put so much time and effort into dive in that just getting to Sicily and talking about our passion for dive in just came out naturally.
I hope that some of you who are watching this video now, I will see in my course Entrepreneurship in Practice, because I can't wait for another cohort of young, dynamic, entrepreneur spirit thinking students to develop the next series of successful companies. Just come and have fun in this course and enjoy being entrepreneurs.